Hello and welcome. If you want to start red light therapy at home and you are on a budget, you probably want to buy the cheapest panel which meets your therapeutic needs. And I want to point out that simple panels, like this one for instance, with just two flip switches, sometimes they are the best options, especially for people who have problems with dexterity and sometimes with vision. And using modern therapy lights with digital panels, digital controls, they sometimes don't see what they press because the text sometimes is very small, and also if they have big fingers, it's not easy to press the right part of the touchscreen to actually activate or deactivate the function. While if you have a panel like this, it's very simple. You basically turn the switch to turn the light on, and that's very convenient for everyone, and especially for people who do light therapy, for instance in bed or in different positions that they don't see the control panel very easily. So imagine you are doing light therapy for your face, like most people do for skin treatment. Sometimes people call it anti-aging. Then if you want to turn the light on, you basically just put the goggles on, because it's recommended to do when you shine on your face and eyes. And basically you don't need to see the control panel because you've got just two switches. You can do it even with your closed eyes. Basically set up the panel. Usually you would have a panel on the table stand, and this panel actually has a table stand, but I removed it because I'm using it for other things. But you would put the panel on a table stand like this and basically flip the switch to start the session. You don't need to look on the control panel and just check out what to press to switch it on and switch it off. You may think it's not a big deal. It actually is, because when you have this panel on, it shines very bright light. And if you want to turn it off, you kind of need to take the goggles off, look on the side to find the right place to touch to switch it off. While with this panel, you basically just flip the switch, and you know that the top switch is for red light, the bottom switch is for near infrared light, and it's very simple and convenient for everyone. So don't dismiss simple panels like this if you see them. Some companies still sell them because they are the cheapest option available for people. You may also find it on the second-hand market, or maybe your friend or relative who is upgrading for the latest and greatest panel. They have some old panels available to, I don't know, give you or sell you very cheaply. Then don't dismiss this kind of panels. In my opinion, they are still worth using. And yes, they have the issue with timing, because there is no timer built in the light, but it's not a problem for like probably $1, or very cheaply you can buy a timer on Amazon or on eBay and time yourself. Or everybody has got now mobile phone, and you've got the timer in your mobile, so you basically set the timer and then flip the switch, and when the timer starts ringing, then you just know that the session is done. And so easily to switch it off. Flip the switch and you can carry on with your other daily routine. So in my opinion, this kind of light is quite useful, especially for elderly people or people who have problems with dexterity, or they can't really see very well on very complicated new modern touchscreen panels. And even though the old panels have only two wavelengths of light, 660 for red and 850 for near infrared, in my opinion, this is just about right to start red light therapy. And unless you have specific needs, like for instance you are a top athlete and you want to have this 810 nanometer near infrared, then probably you'll be quite alright to just use the old classic wavelengths that they have been very well tested. There's a lot of scientific research showing that they work and they give us benefits. And also having classic panel helps you save a lot of money, which in modern time is quite important. And by the way, if you are interested in good quality therapy lights, I'm affiliate with Mitored Lights and Platinum LED. So if you want to have a look at their website and check if there are any panels that you like, you may use my affiliate link down below, which will give you a discount. And at the same time, it will help support this channel with a small commission. And it's a win-win for everyone. And if you are interested in making the most of red light therapy at home, please consider subscribing for more information about this topic. Thanks a lot for watching.